Hello everyone, welcome to TechScale and we're back with another video. I know we are late in making a video of ROMs again, but yeah, I'm trying my best and you will hopefully see a lot of videos coming up for a lot of different ROMs, and this time just Android 12 videos we are focusing on. So today we're going to install Awaken 2.2 Aries version, and with GApps build. The build was released yesterday, so I'll be installing this build on this Poco F1, and you know it will be very similar in all other device. For whatever device you're having, if Awaken OS is available, the procedure will be very same, so you can refer this video as well. I'll be showing you the features and how to install this ROM, right? So for this right now you have to be on the TWRP. Right now my phone is formatted, so simply by pressing the volume up and power button for 8 seconds you will land in the TWRP of your phone if you're having it, right? So after that, quickly I will copy the ROM file in the phone, and so now I'll quickly copy the ROM file in my phone and I'll meet you on the other screen. And by the way, the link of the download link is in the description, so do check it out. Now the ROM file is copied. As you can see, if I go to install, as you can see, Awaken 2.2 Aries, Beryllium and GApps build. This is here. And before that, let me tell you that you have to wipe your phone from here, format data and IPS, before installing this ROM. I forgot to tell you this step. So before doing all of that, do keep your data backed up, okay, at some safe place so that you can, put it back again in your phone. So let's start the installation process. So I'll click on install and I'll press on this and swipe to confirm flash, right? So as you can see, the Android version is 12. The build date is of 15th of December. Today it's 16. So it's yesterday's build, and security patch, as you can see, is of December. So this will take around about 5 minutes. So for that, I'll just pause the video here and I'll meet you on after this is installed and we'll boot the ROM together. So here we are again. As you can see, update partition details done, and we'll simply reboot. This means that the ROM is successfully installed, right? So let's see, we are seeing a Poco logo, and now we should see some Awaken text or Awaken logo right now. And let me tell you first that this is a GApps build, and installing this and after like setting whole of this up will take some time, maybe like 5 or 10 minutes. So I'll fast forward the video, or I'll simply skip the video from here and I'll again meet you on the boot screen. And if anything goes wrong or if anything goes up, I'm going to tell you at that time, right? So let's meet on the other side. So here we are. Let me just swipe up, and this is the Awaken OS Aries version 2.2. And as you can see, this is absolute delight. Let me tell you guys, like setting this phone up was like one of the most satisfying thing that I have ever done while setting up a phone. I mean, the experience was super smooth, and everything, this new Material You from Google is absolutely stunning and absolutely amazing. So for now, I'll just go with, let me see if this changes the wallpaper. No, I want to change the wallpaper. So I'll choose something light so that, okay, solid colors I'll go with. Okay, so this time let's go with orange, and yep, I hope this doesn't bother a lot of people. I just hope that. Okay, this is a little too bright. Yeah, just let me set this. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, this is how the if you see the ROM looks like, and everything, simply amazing. And let me just turn on the do not disturb. Okay, so in here you see a big slider for the brightness bar. Okay, this is the brightness bar, right? And here you will see the internet option, whether you wanna, this is before today, like before this day, it was internet here, and now they have separated this mobile data as well as the Wi-Fi. Okay, before it was internet, but now in the latest Android 12 it is Wi-Fi, just like old times, right? So the torch works super fine. As you can see, the Bluetooth works super fine, alarms, everything is right over here. And trust me, Material You is all about animations and all about the super amazing UI, right? From here you can see a camera access button and mic access button available. So after and here you can see something like green button is going over here. So this means right now your phone is accessing your location. So let me go and search location. No thanks. LOCAT. Yeah, location. If I see the location is turned off, for some reasons it's showing the location. Maybe we'll just restart it and it will work fine, right? So in the camera, do we have a camera? Yes, we have a default camera with us. Okay, go ahead. So we can click pictures, and let me disable the camera for now. So I'll disable the camera. It says camera blocked, as you can see. Now if I turn on the camera, this won't work, right? It will say unblock the camera. That means now third-party softwares or third-party things won't be able to access your camera without you knowing it. For example, if you're you're at some place that you don't want your camera to be on or to be accessed, you can simply block the camera from here. And similar, that thing goes for the mic as well. So this is one of the most amazing thing Android 12 has given us. We have the password and accounts and security. This is here, right? So here is as you can see, the phone is not encrypted for the geeky guys. You can see the phone is not encrypted. If that bothers you, please check it out. In the lock screen, we have pin, password, swipe, and done. We don't have a fingerprint option because Pixel devices don't have. I think the latest Pixel is not having that fingerprint option, right? So that's why this is like this. Or okay, let me see, 000 confirm. Okay, show, enable more. Okay, yes, now we can, yes, it is here. Yeah, I missed it. Sorry for that. So this is how this is added, and if I click on this works super fine, as you can see. Super fine. Yeah, so this is Awaken OS 2.2 Aries version, and this is one of the smoothest ROM that I have worked with. And for others, I'll make a complete video. If you want to know more about what features this ROM brings and other stuff, do let me know in the comment section. I will specifically make videos on those features. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. And if you're looking for a stable Android 12 ROM, this is the ROM that you should install, and you will never ever regret. Let me just call. Okay, that's a very private thing. Okay, so I go here, message works super fine. So that's all for this video. If you want to know more about the features, we have a Telegram channel as well. You can ping me there, or on Instagram, or on Facebook, wherever you want to. Okay, or you can simply reach out to me in the comment section. I'll definitely happy to reply you people there. That's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.